All right, students, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an idea web for your oral presentation. So first thing is in your writing notebook, turn your page sideways. Okay, like this is the top of the page, but turn it sideways like this. And then write idea web at the top. And then in the middle, write your topic. So I chose my favorite place to visit. That's one of your 4 options. You have those 4 options. Hopefully you already chose which one you're going to do. So I wrote the topic, my favorite place to visit, and then I wrote the place, Yosemite National Park. This is a place in California, where I'm from, that I love to visit. It's my favorite place to go in the whole world. So in the middle, you'll do that and put a big circle around it. Now you're going to write things around it that are about your topic, that are all about your place or your show and tell item or your best friend, whichever topic you chose. So these are all things that I love about Yosemite National Park that I'm going to include in my oral presentation. So I wrote that there's beautiful nature. It's a beautiful place. You can look up pictures later if you want. It's a beautiful place to visit. There's rock climbing there, and I like rock climbing. It's peaceful. You can camp there, and I love to camp. I have childhood memories because I used to go when I was a kid, and it's close to my home in the US. Obviously, it's not close to my home here in Bhutan. So this is what you'll do. You'll come up with at least 6 things. See how I have 6 here. At least 6 things that are about your topic, whatever your topic is. So your topic should not be this. You should not have the same things that I do. You have your own topic, and you'll have your own details about it, your own things that you love about it. These are things that you will end up including in your presentation, so you can kind of be thinking about that as well while you're planning it out. But right now, you're not really thinking totally about what you're going to say in your presentation. You're just writing the things about your topic, the most important things that you have about that topic, whatever your topic is. Also notice that I didn't write complete sentences here. This is just your planning. This is just your brainstorming. So you don't need to write complete sentences. I just wrote peaceful, but I know what that means. And when I do my presentation, of course, I'm going to put that in a complete sentence. I might say something in the presentation like, one of the reasons that I love Yosemite National Park is that it is a very peaceful place to visit. When you're there, you just always feel relaxed. So I don't need to write all of that here. I'm just writing the word peaceful. And then when I write my presentation, I'll write a lot more about this. All right, so that's how to make an idea web. Let me know if you have any questions.